Hello and welcome. My name is Jeremiah, the Bullfrog Hale, and this is Tips and Tricks Tuesday with ProPricer. We'll cover useful tips and tricks in ProPricer that'll help you leverage your time better and get things priced. Today, we're going to talk about ways to access your proposal and what proposal views are. The tips today will cover features that you can utilize and take advantage of every time you use ProPricer. What are the ways available to you to access the information in your proposal? Well, how much time do you have? Because there are a ton of ways to see the estimates and cost calculations in your proposal. I'll cover the most popular ones now. The big list includes view totals, the 6 proposal views, pivot grids and infinite layouts, 89 in-the-box reports plus any custom reports, MS Project and Excel exports, the 8 what-if tools, and the material assignments view for working with the bill of materials. Where are they? Mostly split up between the Proposals tab, External Data, and the Reports tab of the ProPricer ribbon. The reports will have their own tab, and the rest will live in the 2 other tabs. In the Proposals tab, we find Proposal Views, and they are located here. View Totals and Pivot Layouts are here, and the What Ifs are next to that right here. They also have their own log. And the Material Assignments view lives over here. And in the External Data tab, you will find the Excel and project exports along with a few other exports. All of these are extremely powerful and have many capabilities that you can take advantage of and make everyday tasks a breeze. It would be way too much information to cover all of these in detail right now, but it's enough to say that these items can access the proposal and get you to the numbers. I'll show you view totals right now because that's an easy and quick one. View totals, as you can see, shows you the totals. Why is it important to know about these? Because the more you know about the features available to you, the more you can use them to your advantage and save time, effort, and headaches. Most importantly, you'll be able to price like a pro. Alright, next up we have proposal views. What are they? In ProPricer, the proposal views are the way you do the majority of your work. They are how you see the estimates in your proposal. They enable you to complete different tasks, depending on the view that you use. The proposal views you can choose from are Data View, Task View, Resource View, Travel View, 3-point Estimating View, and Summary View. You can locate all of the views in the Proposals tab and Views dropdown. Be careful where you click, since this Views dropdown is a double button. The top of the button opens Task View. The bottom part of the button where it says Task View opens up the dropdown for the Views menu. So Task View is not Task View. Try to keep up. Now let's look at what they do. Each view uniquely processes the estimates in your proposal and gives you the benefits of its own features. Some edit and change the proposal, and others don't change the proposal but have very powerful summarization abilities. Why is this important? Some tasks are much easier or a lot harder depending on the view. Learning to combine these views together to complete your tasks faster will take your ProPricer skills from good to great. To summarize all of this, there are a ton of ways to print out, pivot, summarize, and change the information in your proposal. The most important of these are the proposal views. Knowing them all will take your ProPricer skills to the next level. Well, here at ProPricer, we want to help you get there fast. So the next few episodes of Triple T, I'm going to cover each view and its purpose at a more in-depth level. Be sure to stay tuned next week and watch them all. You won't regret it. If this was awesome, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Ding the notification bell to be informed about new episodes. If you have any questions about ProPricer we can help with, or maybe some tips and tricks of your own, follow the link or post a comment below. Again, my name is Jeremiah Hale, and as always, thanks for watching.